Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on WhatsApp. If you've been using a particular WhatsApp profile picture for quite a long time and you want to change it but don't know how to find your way around it, this video is going to help you through the steps that you need to take to change your profile picture on your WhatsApp account. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure you update your WhatsApp to the latest WhatsApp application. With this, you'll be able to lock your WhatsApp profile picture and stop others from downloading your WhatsApp pictures. Now, to change your WhatsApp profile picture, all you need to do is go to your WhatsApp app and open on it. Once you click on the WhatsApp app and it is opened, click on the settings icon at the top right. Then click on settings. Once you tap on the settings, click on the profile icon just like this. Then tap on the camera icon. Once you click on that, you can choose from camera, gallery, or avatar. If you choose avatar, you'll be prompted to select the avatar you want to set as your WhatsApp profile picture here. But if you click on the camera icon and you choose gallery, you'll be taken to your photo gallery app where you have access to different photos or pictures on your gallery. Now click on gallery and select the picture you want to set as your WhatsApp profile picture. So let's go through this. Then let's say this is the picture I want to set as my WhatsApp profile picture. Adjust this now to have a perfect image and then click on the done button. Once you hit the button, you should see the updating button. Once it has been updated, you will see profile photo updated and your profile picture will change from what it was to this new profile picture. So this is how to change profile picture on WhatsApp. Find this really interesting. If you want to hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.